Oh, it means something else.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got to guess the sayings?
Teamwork and make pineapple how it's together.
Good luck, guys.
This is going to be impossible.
Ferpinia.
Well, I thought it was make pineapple.
So I think make magic or make something special.
Can I have pineapple?
I'm going for smoothie. ¿Qué es esa expresión?
No, I would say party.
Fair piña, no, let's throw apart. No?
It's better together.
It's better together.
Fe piña, make pineapple. That means to like be together.
Teamwork and make pineapple how it's together. Está what?
Está con un loom.
So,
It's like a light.
I know that is no if you put it there.
think it's intelligent.
Unulum is me.
He's funny. Todo al revés.
Let me call a friend. Crazy.
Intelligent.
I don't know. Crazy. Crazy.
Está como un llum. It's like a light, and it means like you are crazy.
At least one.
No way. Light bulb. Intelligent. Ah. I've got no chance of saying this.
Sata maniat la lengua al gat.
The cat ate your tongue.
I'm surprised. But gat is a cat.
I have no words. I feel a bit smarter now.
I don't know what to say.
That you cannot talk.
You can't speak.
Se t'ha menjat la llengua al gat. The cat ate your tongue. It means you lost for words.
That was difficult.